the Ductless Directory proudly announces its newest member, Blue Ox Heating and Air. Blue Ox Heating and Air is a premier ductless contractor in the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota. If you're ready to go ductless, the first step is to hire the right ductless contractor. Hiring the right company is key to getting a system that's perfectly sized to match your home and to ensure a professional installation. When you turn to the professionals at Blue Ox Heating and Air, you can rest assured that they're consumer top rated, NATE certified, work with only the best ductless manufacturers. Enjoy a broad range of options from industry leaders like Bryant, Mitsubishi and Daikin. Nobody knows ductless like Blue Ox Heating and Air. Find out how you can save money, save energy, and increase your home comfort with ductless heating and ductless air conditioning. You may even qualify for rebates and incentives. Going ductless is easy with Blue Ox Heating and Air, now serving Minneapolis, St. Paul, and the entire Twin Cities area.